Hi everyone, I'm Dana. Good to see you here. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and simple trick in Excel using Ctrl+E, the flash fill shortcuts. It's a game changer for formatting data and saving time. Let's dive right in. First up, let's see the merge function of Ctrl+E. As we can see here is a simple spreadsheet we can have for the data practice. From here, we can see we have the name, department, employee, tenure, and we want to merge it all together. So simply we just copy the data we have here, and then we can split the data by blanket or hyphen, and then copy the second data we have and put it all here. That's what we are creating the pattern for Excel to copy. Once we finish it, from the second cell under it, we simply Ctrl+E and we can see quick and neat that Excel automatically copy all the pattern we made for the first cell and then copy it all. Simple. Next, if you want to split the data like this, we have in the format that we don't want, and we want to split the data into name, department, employee, tenure into the way we want, or maybe you have another way, but I will show you simply. From here is Thomas Finance 3. So we simply copy the data in the way we want, and this is to create pattern for Excel. Once we're done it, we're on this cell, the next one, we press Ctrl+E and Excel will automatically split the data for you. And we can see this data is all correct the way we want, right? And it's like having a data processing assistant built right into the Excel for you. What if we don't want to split the data into all, and we just only need part of the data? How to extract it? As still, Ctrl+E can help you. For example, we want the department here. We can check the number here. As we can see, right? HR is 001, Director is 001, Finance 004, and here we can have the title still. And as we done it, we can simply Ctrl+E and Ctrl+E. After that, we go back to check if it's correct. Specialist 004, 004. And this is the way we extract specific content from the data into the ways we want. Alright, now I'm going to show you a random set of data. In real life, this could represent phone numbers, ID numbers, or other sensitive information. But to protect data privacy and ensure security, here is a simple trick. We can mask the last 3 digits with asterisks. Here is how you do it. Simply type it just like this. We mask the last 3 digits into asterisks. And with that, we Ctrl+E. Excel will apply flash fill and automatically mask the last 3 digits for the entire column. And there you go, a quick and easy way to analyze sensitive data in seconds. Now I'm going to show you the last way of using Ctrl+E, the flash fill shortcuts. For example, with the same data I showed before, and you want to format it with separators, and here is how we do it. Type in your number and manually format in the way you want and select the cell, and then just easily Ctrl+E, and then Excel will automatically fill in the rest of the cells, matching your example formats in this way. Super easy, right? No more manual adds. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you like this video and learn how to use Ctrl+E to work faster and easier in Excel. Keep in mind Ctrl+E works best for patterns that are easy for Excel to recognize. It might not handle very complex cases. But don't worry, follow me for more advanced Excel tricks to tackle those tricky situations. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. and let me know in the comments if there is anything else you want to learn. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one.